Reports blame NASA for creating chaos with your star sign, but there are two good reasons for the change. And neither is NASA's fault. It's a result of Earth's orbit around the Sun, which traces a plane called the ecliptic that passes through 13 constellations. Over 1 year, the Sun moves in between Earth and each of the 13 different constellations. The constellation that the Sun is in on your birthday determines your star sign. But there's a catch. The ancient Babylonians wanted only 12 signs to match their 12-month calendar, so they left off the 13th sign, the constellation Ophiuchus. Adding it back in causes some of the chaos. But the biggest change actually comes from the Earth itself. The Earth wobbles on its axis, taking 26,000 years to complete one rotation, which slowly changes which constellations the Sun is in. And it's been 3,000 years since the Babylonians, which means a big shift in the calendar dates matching each sign. For example, if you were born on March 21st, 3,000 years ago, you would have been an Aries. But today, you would be a Pisces. NASA pointed this out on Tumblr and on an educational page for kids. But don't blame it for changing your sign. Astrology isn't science, so read whichever horoscope you want. The stars won't mind.